progeCAD NLM Network Licensing. progeCAD NLM is a flexible solution for companies with more CAD seats. The network licensing allows to lower your business expenses on technical drawing software purchase, upgrading and management, as the network solution allows to adapt a number of purchased software copies to the actual needs of a company. This software can be installed on all computers where CAD is used for drawing or simply for project visualization, with the software activated on these computers when it is required. Having to work away from your workplace, you can take a license out of the network for a preset period of time, and at the end of this period the license will be returned automatically to be newly available on NLM server. The installation and management procedures are extremely easy and quick. The solution is highly convenient as it is not a service. For example, a company has 10 technicians who use CAD software. Some of them use CAD on a regular basis. Others use the software occasionally or only remotely, for instance on site. First of all, it is necessary to decide how many CAD operators need to work with the software simultaneously. Let's suppose there are 5. The benefit of the NLM licensing solution is that you can install progeCAD on the computers of all your 10 employees, or even on all the available computers, including laptops and home PCs if one needs to work remotely. Who needs to access the software will be able to activate a progeCAD license on any of these computers until the maximum number of simultaneous users is reached. NLM Server is the software used to manage purchased progeCAD copies, clients. NLM Server can be installed on any PC with Windows operating system. It is not necessary to have a dedicated server for it. NLM Server is very light and can also be accessed remotely through Internet. The software serves to perform registration procedures and to handle license activations in a quick and easy way. progeCAD NLM offers a series of benefits as well as the automation of processes for flexible and intelligent work management. The takeaway feature allows to use the software right off and with no difficulty from home or just away from your workplace. A license is assigned for a preset period of time to a computer not in the network. The license can be used even without an internet connection, and it will be returned automatically to NLM server at the end of the defined period of time. This procedure allows to save time and money, as you don't need to manually install and uninstall the software when working remotely, and you don't need to purchase additional licenses. Furthermore, software serial numbers are not exposed to final users, safeguarding the owner of software licenses and increasing the security level by avoiding a loss of product keys. It's also possible to set a user timeout for software usage. If a CAD operator has requested a progeCAD license but hasn't worked with the software for a defined period of time, for instance 1 hour, then his license will become available to a different user, yet letting the previous user save and print his drawing project if necessary, without losing the performed work. The progeCAD iCare services allow to have the newest software version always available with automatic upgrades, and to receive duly accurate information and assistance with the premium technical support. progeCAD is an easy-to-use 2D/3D CAD platform with a native DWG file format. You can download a 30-day trial version with no obligation to purchase from progecad.com.